Today we'll try to finish off this chapter, sir. There are 3 problems are there. Okay. Find the area enclosed by y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by. Right? First, y square is equal to 4ax, x square is equal to 4by. Right? Now, from this, what is the y value? X square 5 4b. Therefore, whole square is equal to 4ax. Right? So this becomes x power 4 by 16b square minus 4ax is equal to 0. X common. X cube by 16b square minus 4a is equal to 0. Right? Therefore, x is equal to 0 or x cube by 16b square minus 4a is equal to 0. From this, x cube is equal to x cube by 16b square is equal to 4a. X cube is equal to 64ab square. Therefore, x is equal to 64ab square to the power of 1 by 3. Okay, 64 means 4 cube will come. So here 4 will come. 4 into a power 1 by 3, b power 2 by 3. So what is the x value? 4, a power 1 by 3, b power 1 by 3. Therefore, what is the y value? X square by 4b. X square by 4b. So what is the x value? Whole square by 4b. Right? So now what will happen? 16 a power 2 by 3 b power 2 by 3 by 4b is the y value. So 4 will get cancelled 4 times. A power 2 by 3 into b power 2 by 3 b power minus 1 by 3. Right? So here y is equal to 4 a power 2 by 3 here 2 by 3. So this becomes 4 by 3. This becomes 4 by 3. Here x is equal to 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3. So x square means 4 a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3 whole square. So it becomes 4 by 3. So this becomes 4 minus 3 means 1 by 3. So what is the point of intersection? Therefore, point is 0 comma 0. First point is 0 comma 0 because we got x is equal to 0, y will be 0. And what is the p point? X value what we got? 4 a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3. And what is the y value? 4 a power 2 by 3 b power 1 by 3. This is a point of intersection. Now, I will draw a dot. This will be like this. This will be like this. This area we have to find out. Which area? We have to find out this area. So point వచ్చింది కదా ఇక్కడ point. This is a P point. Therefore, area is equal to 0 to the point P. So we'll write this. So copy up here. So we got the point, sir. With the point we have to find area. Please note down this. Now we got a point of intersection. Now look at here. Given y square is equal to 4ax, from this y is equal to root of 4ax, right? No. And x square is equal to 4by, y is equal to x square by 4b. So area from 0 to point of intersection 4a power 1 by 3. So this becomes minus dx, right? Now look at here. Root x means x power 1 by 2, sir. So it is because x by 3 by 2, 0 to 2 power 3 minus x cube, x square means x cube by 3, 0 to p power 2 by 3. So this will become 2 by 3, upper limit 4a 1 by 3, b power 2 by 3 whole raised to 3 by 2. How this has come? Upper limit is 4a power 1 by 3, b power 2 by 3 whole raised to 3 by 2 minus 0 minus 1 by 12b because 3 into 4b. 4a power 1 by 3, b power 1 by 3 whole cube minus 0. So this becomes 4a 4 root a by 3, 3 power. So 3 will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled. So this becomes, if you simplify this, I am writing direct simplified values are 32ab by 3. Why? Because this will come 4 power 3 by 2, here 2 will come 2 by 3. So everything if you simplify it becomes 32ab and this will be minus 16ab by 3. So 16ab by 3. So this direct step I am writing here. After simplification of this, okay, this simplification try to keep in mind and try to write this. So 32ab by 3, right? So what is the answer? 16ab by 3. Okay, this problem looks to be very big. So 7 marks question, sir. Please note down this. Next problem. Area enclosed between y square is equal to 4x minus x. Now first point of intersection. First we have to find point of intersection. This is also y square, this is also y square. Therefore 4x is equal to 4 into 4 minus x. So 4x is equal to 16 minus 4x. Bring 4x this side. 8x is equal to 16. X is equal to 2. We got x is equal to 2. Therefore y square is equal to 4x. 4 into 2 is how much? 8. So y is equal to root 8, which is plus or minus 2 root 2. So what is the point of intersection? 2 comma 2 root 2 2 comma minus 2 root 2. Right? Now, again, we have to draw the diagram. Y square is equal to 4x. So, 0 comma 0 is 1 point, and if you put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Therefore, we have to draw a diagram. Right? Next. So, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. Means at 4 comma 0. This is a point. So, this is a point of intersection. What is the point? 2 comma 2 root 2 here, Q point. 2 comma minus 2 root 2. This area we have to find out. The area find out here, sir. So, this is a curve. This is the first curve. Y square is equal to 4x, and this is the second curve. Y square is equal to 4 into 4 minus x. These two curves. Therefore, area is equal to, what is the point of intersection? From 0 to 2, one area. 0 to 2, this curve we have to consider. E curve consider sir. From 0 to 2. So 2 times root of 4x plus, and this second curve from where? 2 to 4, root of 4 into 4 minus x. అర్థమైందా సార్? ఇక్కడ ఇది కూడా 2 times. Why 2 times? Here this is there, this is there, this is there, this is there. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ దాకా 0 to 2 1 point, again from 2 to 4 one more point. So this area we have to find out. So what we have done? We have found out the point of intersection, then we have drawn the curve, and we are finding area. Please note down this. Now, so what will happen? Root 4 means 2 will come, so 4 it becomes 0 to 2 root x dx plus, again 2 will come, 4, 2 to 4 root of 4 minus dx. So 4 into 0 to 2 plus 4 minus of 2 to 4. So why minus sign is coming? Because minus x is there. So 4 into this 2 by 3 will become 8 by 3, 0 to 2. So minus 4, 8 by 3, 4 minus x whole raised to 3 by 2, 2 to 4. Right? Observe here. So 8 by 3, 2 power 3 by 2 minus 0, here minus 8 by 3, upper limit is 4, so it becomes 0, lower limit is 2, 2 power 3 by 2. So what I have done, upper limit is 4, 4 minus 4 it becomes 0, so lower limit is 2, so this becomes 8 by 3 into 2 power 3 by 2, minus of minus is plus 8 by 3, 2 power 3 by 2, so this becomes 16 by 3, 2 power 3 by 2. Now 16 by 3 into 2 power 3 by 2 means 2 power 1 into 2 power 1 by 2. 3 by 2 can be written 2 power 1 into 2. So this becomes 32 by 3 root 2. What is the answer? 32 root 2 by root 3. Let me see the answer. I think this is the answer. Yes, 32 root 2 by 3. Right. So here what I have done? 2 into root of 4x, that is root x. Root x integration x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. And here 4 minus x, why minus sign is coming? Because minus x is there. 4 minus x ante minus vastundi sir, because x derivative is 1, because of minus sign minus 1 will come 3 by 2. So this becomes 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3, which is 8 by 3, x power 3 by 2, 0 to 2, and here 8 by 3 with minus sign, a 4 minus x 3 by 2 whole 0, 2 to 4. So upper limit is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, lower limit is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 power 3 by 2. So 8 by 3. So 8 by 3, 2 power 3 by 2, 8 by 3, 2 power 3 by 2. So it becomes 16 by 3, 2 power 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means what, sir? 3 by 2 can be written 2 power 1 into 2 power 1 by 2. LCM if you take 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So 32 by 3 root 2. Right? So this is very, very important, sir. Okay. Next. Next, last problem. Now, y square is equal to 12 into x plus 3. 5 minus x. Again, first point of intersection. So both is equal to 20 into 5 minus x. Open the bracket, is equal to 100 minus 20x. Bring here, it becomes 32x, here 64. Okay, so x is equal to 2. Therefore, y square is equal to 12 into x plus 3, which is nothing but 60, because x is equal to 2. So y is equal to root 60, which is 4 into 15, which will give you 2 root 15. So the point is 2 comma 2 root 15, Q point 2 comma 2 root 15. Right? Now, put x is equal to minus 3. So y will be 0. Because if you put x is equal to minus 3, y square will be 0. Similarly, y square is equal to 20 into 5 minus x. Put x is equal to 5, y is equal to 0. Now, first curve, y will be 0 at x is equal to minus 3. Okay, rough diagram. Next, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 0. Like this. Okay, this is a point of intersection. Here, 2 comma 2 root 15, 2 comma minus 2 root 15. Important thing is this point is very, very important, sir. This point is manakku. Now, therefore, area enclosed is first, this is 2, sir, minus 3 to 2, minus 3 to 2, first curve, root of 12 into x plus 3 dx plus 2 to here 5. Take us, sir, next point. So 2 to 5, this also 2 times, this also 2 times. Ikkada double, sir. 2 to 5 root of 20 into 5 minus x dx. Similar to same model, sir, but only equations have been changed. So we have got a point of intersection. Why I have taken x is equal to minus 3? I want to get this point, sir, and I want to get this point. For this curve, this is a point. For this curve, this is a point. Draw the diagram. This is a curve, right? Please note down. Look at here, integration. So I have taken root 12 outside. So 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus 3 to 2 plus 2 root 20. This will be 5 minus x whole raised to 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 with minus sign. Again why? 5 minus x unnadi sir, 2 to 5. So this 2 will come. So 4 root 12 by 3. Upper limit is 2. So 5 power 3 by 2. Lower limit minus 0. Minus 3. So this becomes 0. Plus minus 4 root 20 by 3. Upper limit is 5. 0. Minus lower limit is 2. 3 power 3 by 2. Why? Upper limit is 5. 5 minus 5 0. Lower limit is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So this becomes by 2 into 5 power 3 by 2 minus this minus of minus become plus into 3 power 3 by 2. Now this can be written 4 into, look at here, 4 into 3 by 3, 5 power 3 by 2 plus this can be written 4 into 5 by 3, 3 power 3 by 2. So this becomes square root of 4 is 2 sir, 2 into 4 is 8 by 3, root 3, again 5 power 1 into 5 power 1 by 2. This can be written 3 power 1 by 2 plus 4 into 2 is 8, 8 by 3, this will become 5 power 1 by 2. Again 3 power 3 by 2, 3 power 1 into 3 power 1 by 2. So this becomes 5 into 4, 40 by 3, 3 into 5 to the power of 1 by 2. Here also 3 into 8, 24 by 3, 5 power 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So 40 by 3 plus 24 by 3, 15 power 1 by 2. Why? I have taken common. So this becomes 64 by 3 root 15. Okay. So what is that? 64 by 3 into root 15. So this is answer. How this has come? 15 means square root of 15 sir, because 3 into 5 is 15 and I have taken this common, this will come. Okay. Now with this definite integration is also over sir. There is a last chapter, differential equation, will start in the next video. With that the portion will be over. So differential equation is also there in our final examination and it will be there in our half-yearly examination also. With this we have finished. Only one chapter is left over in 2B sir, that will start in the next video.